Welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix iPhone Shuffle 4th Gen won't turn on. In order to fix it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. If your 4th generation iPod Shuffle won't turn on, you could try charging it for at least 30 minutes using a reliable charger and a cable and ensure a frame connections. If that doesn't work, try a force restart, and if the issue persists on, consider contacting Apple support for a potential repair. In order to fix it, you could also try using a different cable or an adapter. Sometimes there might be an issue with the cable or an adapter, so try that out and see whether that works or not. You could also try force reset. So for that, you need to disconnect the iPod Shuffle from its charger and from your computer. Locate the power switch. It's a small green switch on the side of the iPod Shuffle, and use it to turn off the device. When you actually do it, wait for about 10 seconds, then turn the iPhone Shuffle back on and using the power switch. That should be able to help you out. If that doesn't work out, what you could also do is make sure there is no debris or dirt in the charging port, and you could also actually go ahead and contact the Apple support. So you could open up your device and type in Apple support for assistant, and you could go ahead and select it. If the iPod Shuffle has been stored for a long time, the battery may be completely drained or damaged, so in that case a battery replacement might be necessary. That should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.